Numbers from 1 to 10. Listen and repeat. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10.
Podcast episode, Fun with Numbers. Hello, little learners. Welcome to our English learning podcast. Today, we will learn some numbers in English and have lots of fun with them. Are you ready? Let's get started. Task 1, repeat after me. I will say a number, and I want you to repeat it after me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now, let's do it one more time, a little faster. Task 2, count with me. Let's practice counting from 1 to 10 together. I will say the numbers, and you repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic! Now, let's try counting backwards from 10 to 1. Task 3, find the number. I will say a number, and I want you to find something around you that matches the number. Ready? Find 1 toy. Find 2 books. Find 3 pencils. Find 4 crayons. Find 5 blocks. Find 6 marbles. Find 7 stickers. Find 8 buttons. Find 9 leaves. Find 10 coins. Well done. Now, let's move on to the next task. Task 4, simple sentences. I will say a sentence, and I want you to repeat it after me. Let's practice using our new numbers. I have 1 apple. You have 2 dolls. He has 3 cars. She has 4 balls. We have 5 friends. They have 6 cats. I see 7 stars. You see 8 birds. He sees 9 flowers. She sees 10 trees. Excellent. Task 5, questions and answers. I will ask you a question, and you try to answer. Then, I will say the correct answer, and you can repeat after me. How many fingers do you have on one hand? 5. Repeat after me, 5. How many toes do you have? 10. Repeat after me, 10. How many eyes do you have? 2. Repeat after me, 2. How many ears do you have? 2. Repeat after me, 2. How many noses do you have? 1. Repeat after me, 1. Well done, everyone. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing, and you will get better and better at speaking English. See you next time on our learning podcast. Bye for now.